In the heart of a dense forest, whispers of a hidden sanctuary spread among the locals. They spoke of a place where endangered creatures thrived, protected by unseen forces. One night, a curious traveler ventured into the park, guided by the glow of the moon. As he wandered deeper, he stumbled upon a clearing filled with animals thought extinct. Suddenly, the ground trembled, and a voice echoed, "You have seen too much." The traveler vanished, leaving only his footprints. The park remained a mystery, its secrets guarded by nature itself.